In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Save Tab Group option missing in Chrome. If you've been trying to organize your tabs into groups but can't find the Save option, this quick guide will help you enable it and get your tab groups working properly. This is especially useful if you work with multiple tabs and want to keep them organized across browsing sessions. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open all the tabs you want to save to a group in Chrome. These could be work-related tabs, research tabs, or any collection of sites you frequently use together. Once your tabs are open, right-click on any tab and select Add to New Group. Give your tab group a name and choose a color to make it easily identifiable. Add all the relevant tabs to this group by dragging them into the colored group or right-clicking and selecting Add to Group. Now, here's where the fix comes in. Go to the link I've provided in the description below. This will take you to Chrome's experimental features page. In the search bar at the top, type Tab Group. Look for the option labeled NTP Tab Group Module. Click the drop-down menu next to it and select Enabled. Chrome will prompt you to relaunch the browser for the changes to take effect. Click Relaunch Now to restart Chrome. After Chrome restarts, you'll notice your saved tab groups are now accessible in multiple places. You'll see them in the bookmark bar, making them easy to access with one click. They'll also appear on the new tab page, so you can quickly reopen entire groups whenever you start a new session. And finally, if you click the three dot icon in Chrome and navigate to tab groups, you'll see all your saved groups listed there as well. This makes managing and reopening your organized tabs incredibly convenient. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the missing Save Tab Group option in Chrome and enabled full tab group functionality. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.